Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on a ThorFire S70S. Now they also make an S70 which has 3000 lumens, but the S70S has 3960 lumens. So I just want to thank Banggood.com for sending me this light for review, and let's go ahead and open up the box and see what's in. Very well packed in here. Comes with the user manual here, and it looks like a pretty decent there, and it is quite small. Comes with a extra set of O-rings here, and also some power button seals on there if you want to change the color of it, and also a ringlet so you can attach the strap. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the strap. Now this light, this is a very nice shoulder strap that comes with this. I mean, this is very well made, and I'm very pleased with getting something like this for this, especially for this cheap of a light package. Comes with two 18650 sleeves so the batteries don't rattle around in there. It also comes with an extra glass lens, so if you break it you can easily install a new one. It's kind of nice. Probably one of the first flashlights I've received that have had that option. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the light out, and as I'm taking this out I just want to thank again Banggood.com for sending me this light for review. And this is just a really nice light. That's just really nice. A lot of heat sinking here. Help keep it cool for longer run times. Just an all-around great light. And this is a big light, and it is heavy. So I'm going to go ahead and move the box out of the way for you. We're going to look at this light. Now it does have a huge head compared to the rest of the body and the barrel of it. We're just going to go over some of the features here. Now the machining on this is just really smooth. This reminds me more of a mag light. Very shiny and very smooth. I'm very impressed with this. Just my first take on this. This is really nice quality. Okay, so basically this is a thrower, but looking at the reflector, it's going to have some floodiness to it as well. So this houses a Cree XHP 70 LED, and look at the reflector on that. Really a deep textured reflector. Just very nice quality. I'm very impressed with this ThorFire so far. Button on the side, and it is slightly above the rest of the body there. Now this does have a tail switch to turn the light on. This doesn't function in the UI at all. This is strictly for powering on the light, and then the side switches to go through the UI. Now this does come off. You can unscrew that and take it off and just have it a smooth body. But I kind of like this, gives it a little bit of a style there and more of a tactical look here. And it's also good if you want to hold it like that in your hands. Now this is a heavy light. I do have the batteries in it. I did try it out to make sure it worked. And so let's go ahead and show you what cells I'm running in this, in the light. Now I've had these batteries for a few years, and these are, I'm running the Digital Energy 3500 milliamp. These are 26650 batteries. It does run 2, and these are protected cells. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and show you spring. Good quality spring on that, and it's well greased on the threads as well. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take the barrel apart, and we'll show you the spring on the head. And that is a very heavy duty spring as well. Very nice. Very, very nice. So let me go ahead and put this back together, and we'll get started with the UI. All right. Okay, there it is. Okay, so now we're going to go over the user manual. Now this is very small, so I'm going to try to get my camera to focus in here. Now you see the lumens there. Now this is IPX8 water resistant, or waterproof should I say. Has a 680 meter beam distance. Okay, so now we're going to go through the UI, which is very simple. Now the tail cap button is only to activate the light. All turning on and going through the cycles is done from the side switch. So we're going to go ahead and turn that on. You'll see that the LED lights up, and we're going to go in. Now in order to get moonlight, which is 1 lumen, this big of a flashlight has a moonlight level of 1 lumen. Incredible. So we're going to go ahead, and you're going to, in order to get the hidden moonlight, you're going to press and hold the button, and that is hidden moonlight, 1 lumen. Very dim. Okay, now we're going to go through the UI, which is going to be low, medium, high, turbo, and I'm being blinded by that. That's an extremely bright. Now if you want to get into strobe, you're going to simply double click the side switch and get you strobe. Very blinding. And then you go back down to the bottom of the UI, which is low. Press and hold that to turn it off, and that's the UI. Not too much as far as difficulty on this, and as you can see, you can leave this light on to better find the light in the dark. You can turn that off and on as you want it, and it's kind of nice. Turn that on very easy. It does very well. I think we need to take this outside and see how it really does in the wilderness. Here in the darkness with the ThorFire S70S. I'm going to start it off on the lowest, of course. Alright, here we go. There's the lowest setting. Now this has enough spill on it. We're going to go ahead and light output to check out the tree of life. And it is making the tree of life. Very nice. And it is making the school there a little bit too. Wow. This is really nice. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and do the next level output. And as you can see, very nice. This has got some really good, a huge hot spot on this. And this light is extremely affordable. This is just great. Very impressed with this. Wow. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to go to the Tree of Life. I'm going to go to the next level. Wow, look at that. And look at the beam on this. Wow, that's very nice. And look at how wide that spot is. Very, very nice. Wow, look at the fence line on that. Doing really good. This is doing really, really good. Very, very nice on this. Okay, we're going to go to the Tree of Life again and go to the next level. Wow. Look at how bright this spill is on this. Wow. Usually shooting the trees across the park. And the guy on a bike. Very, very nice. Making it across the park. Very, very nice. Just amazing. Down the tree line. That's just amazing. And you can see all the bugs out here. Very, very nice. And it's making the palm trees. Incredible. This is just amazing. Very, very nice. ThorFire did a very good job on this light. And it's not getting that hot either, believe it or not. This is very nice. Wow. Easily making it across the park. Go back to the Tree of Life. All right. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Well, I hope you enjoyed those night shots because this thing delivered. I cannot believe how much distance this has and throwing power it has for only $70 or under $70 if you use my discount code. I am very surprised at how well this did. I am very surprised at how well it's machined. The quality of this light is very impressive, and I highly recommend this light. It has a lot of power. It appears to be nice and durable. The strap is always nice because this can get heavy after carrying it for quite a while. You start feeling it. So I think the strap may be necessary if you're carrying it for long periods of time. I'm going to go ahead and give this a rating of a perfect 10. I can't find anything wrong with the light. I like the style, the fact that you can activate that without even turning it on. So you basically have a lockout feature. It's not turning on. The only way you're going to activate that is to go ahead and turn on that side switch. And I'm really liking the layout. I like the style. It has a nice, tough attitude style to it. And it's just well built. There's nothing more I can say about this. I just want to thank Banggood again for sending me this light for review. Go ahead and look up on that screen right about now. Right about right there. And go ahead, if you're interested, and pick this up at banggood.com. Use my discount code. It'll help save you some money. And also, if you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these light packages to my channel for you guys to see. And it might be something you might want to purchase, just the fact that you see it in action. I just want to thank you again for watching. Take care.